This is the easiest question of a test in India. And it is so hard, only 24.26% of students pass the exam. Today we will learn how to solve these kinds of questions. Welcome to Fun with Maths. If x is greater than 0 and x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then find square root x plus 1 by square root x. Take some time, think about it, pause the video if you want to. If you didn't get it, here's the solution. If you're wondering why we take the square, it's to remove the square root so that the question becomes easier to deal with.